I am going to show you today how to remove the CapCut Watermark logo on a export, even if you do not have a TikTok account. So on my phone right here, I do not have a TikTok account, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Once you're in the video that you want to export, you can see that the CapCut logo is still at the top right-hand side of my video. Now, if I click export on the top right, you can either save to device with the watermark or save and share to TikTok without the watermark. So even though I don't have TikTok app installed on this phone, I'm still gonna click it, save and share to TikTok. It exports it and then brings me right to the App Store on my iPhone. And I'm just gonna ignore this. I'm gonna go to the top left-hand corner to the CapCut shortcut to go back to my app where I was. And here I am back to where I was. Now, if you go all the way to the right and see Other, those three dots, click Other, and you can just click Save Video in the middle. And there you go. Now it is downloaded on your device without having to have the TikTok app on your phone at all. Hope you enjoyed.